What if your AI assistant could do basic math calculations with perfect accuracy every time? You'll see how to create a simple but powerful calculator tool using FastMCPs at MCP Tool Decorator, exposing a Python function so AI models can call it directly. No guesswork, just clean, reliable results.
At MCP Tool, def multiply A, float B, float, multiplies two numbers together. Return a asterisk B.
This demonstrates the tool registration pattern using Python decorators, a common technique in RPC frameworks. The @MCP tool decorator transforms a regular Python function into a remotely callable endpoint while preserving its native type signatures and docstrings. What makes this distinctive is how it bridges the gap between local function execution and remote procedure calls without requiring explicit API definitions. The pattern works by leveraging Python's decorator system to create a declarative interface. When you apply @MCP tool to a function, the framework automatically extracts metadata like parameter types, return types, and documentation to generate a complete API schema. This separation of concerns means your implementation stays clean, focused purely on business logic, while the framework handles transport, serialization, and discovery automatically. This approach matters because it dramatically reduces boilerplate in RPC development. Instead of manually defining routes, validating inputs, and serializing outputs, you write normal Python functions and let the framework handle the RPC layer. It's particularly valuable for AI integrations, where you need to expose backend logic to language models or other services, as it maintains type safety while eliminating transport-specific code. The trade-off is framework dependency, but the productivity gain for API-heavy applications typically outweighs this cost. Let's break it down line by line.
At MCP tool, def multiply A, float B, float, multiplies two numbers together.
The @MCP tool decorator exposes this function as an AI callable tool. FastMCP uses the type hints and docstring to auto-generate the tool schema, ensuring proper input validation and documentation. This is the standard pattern for creating tools that AI models can invoke.
Return a asterisk B.
This implements the core multiplication logic, returning the product of inputs A and B. The simplicity ensures deterministic behavior, making it reliable for both direct calls and AI tool execution. FastMCP tool decorator pattern. The @MCP tool decorator transforms Python functions into AI callable endpoints with automatic schema generation, handling both primitive and structured output seamlessly. Type annotations drive the entire schema system, so omitting them breaks client-side validation and documentation. This single decorator bridges Python's dynamic nature with MCP's strict typing requirements.
The decorator that names the tool becomes nameless in the call.